So now we look at the else statement in our control flow in Python, and we just scroll back a little bit because we saw the continue statement over here, and we said that we could replace the continue statement with the else statement, and indeed that's the case. The else statement is just much more common, and in fact we literally see it everywhere, and predominantly after if statements. So for example, I will just set a variable, so my name, and then so my name is Darren, and I could just do a test if my underscore name is equal to and then Darren. Then we want to do some statements, so something like print, and then hello, and then plus, and then my name. We'll probably need a space in between, so we're just concatenating there. But if not, then do something like, so we'll have an else statement, and then if this is not the case, then print you are not, and then the name, so you are not, and then plus my name. And then finally at the end we could do something like print end. So we've seen this before. We've seen ifs and we've seen else ifs, and we have seen else's before. So in the for loops it runs exactly the same. If a condition is satisfied, else. So that's basically the else statement. Let's just run this little piece of code and we get hello Darren, and obviously if we had a misspelling or something else like that, then we would get you are not Darren. So that's basically the else statement. The else statement works just as well in the for loop as it does on its own outside of the for loop. So that's the else statement in control flows.